Hello friends, welcome to Shallow's Artistry. Here are 3 amazing hanging planter ideas for you using mosquito bat. Take any old mosquito bat and remove its spare parts. You are going to get few frames as well as mosquito nets like this. Now let's start making our first planter. For this, I have taken a mosquito net like this. I'm going to bend its corners to get a zigzag tiffin box kind of a shape. Now mix cement and water and keep it aside. Take a sack or any hard fabric and trace the shape of the frame and cut it out. Now dip the sack into the cement water and place it inside the bowl. Cover the entire net bowl using this sack. Let it dry in sunlight. Now the sack has dried, let's color it. I'm going to use spray paint for this. Once the black color has dried, I'm going to give a layer of golden color on the net area alone. I'm going to give golden color for the borders as well. Now let's fill the planter with soil and plant any summer plant in it. This planter is miniature and it can hold only minimum soil. So I have chosen a heat resisting summer plant for this. Now to make it a hanging planter, I have taken a long thread and tied its ends. Make a knot in the center of the thread and place the planter on the center. Now the hanging portion is ready. Adjust the length and make another knot on it. This planter can decorate your balcony and it can be used as an outdoor planter. You can also hang this planter inside your house and use it as an indoor planter. Now let's start making the second planter. For this, I have taken this particular portion of the bat. Take a medium sized fabric or a sack and fold it into two. Dip it in the cement lotion and use it for the body of the planter. Join the sack to all the 4 corners of the frame. This sack is going to be the base of our planter. Join some hanging hooks and hang it in sunlight. Our base has dried. Let's start coloring it. For this, I'm going to use spray paint. Once the color has dried, let's start decorating it. For this, I'm going to use mirror and RE beads. Now I'm going to use earbuds and decorate the rest of the planter. Now our planter is ready. Let's fill it with soil. For this planter, I have taken tangled heart plant. This is a beautiful hanging plant. Tie the corners of this frame using hard thread. Now our second hanging planter is also ready. This planter also can be used as both indoor and outdoor hanging planter. Now let's start making the third planter. For this, I have taken the outer frame of the bat. Take any plastic bottle that fits inside this frame. You can also use Dettol bottle for this, but I prefer a bigger and a wider planter, so I have chosen Ariel bottle for this. Now cut the Ariel bottle. We are going to use the lower portion alone. Take this portion of the bottle and fix it inside the frame. Make sure that it sits exactly in the center of the frame. Now use brown tape and secure it completely. Cover the entire bottle with the brown tape. Now let's decorate the planter. For this I'm going to use rope. Cover the entire bottle using rope, and for the frame, use any lace or you can also use rope alone. I have used white lace for the frame. I have taken glitter foam sheets and I have made little hearts using it. I'm going to place these hearts on the planter. Again, I'm going to add little more design using the lace. Now I'm going to stick golden color beads all over it randomly. Now our third hanging planter is also ready. For this planter, I haven't made any holes for the excess water to seep through. Now I'm going to fill the planter with water and place few money plants inside it. You can hang this planter inside your house and keep it as an indoor planter. You can also keep it as an outdoor planter as well. So today we have seen 3 easy hanging planter making ideas using mosquito bat. If you like this mosquito bat reuse ideas, give a thumbs up to my video and share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel for more such videos.